Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss general classification and nomenclature of the amines. Okay, na? Already in my previous session, I completed one of the classification from aromatic amines, that is aryl amines, or nothing but nucleus substituted amines. Now B, second one, aryl alkyl amines. Aralkyl, this is a pronunciation, aralkyl amines. It's also another name is a side chain substituted amines. Already the first part completed in my previous class, that is aryl amines. It's nothing but nucleus substituted amines. What is the nucleus substituted amine? In this type of the amines, the nitrogen atoms is directly attached to the 1 or 2 or 3 aromatic rings. These aromatic rings either same or different. Now, but here aralkyl amines, the second category is a aralkyl amine. In this aralkyl amines, or another name is a side chain substituted amines. Here, in this type of the amines, the nitrogen atom is attached to the side chain. That is the most important. In this type of the amines, the nitrogen atom is attached to the side chains of 1 or 2 or 3 same or different aromatic rings are called aralkyl amine. It means, my dear student, here nitrogen atom attaches to side chain, either 1 or 2 or 3 aromatic rings. Now see here in this example, benzyl amine, because of here nitrogen group directly attaches to the one aromatic ring. So benzyl amines, or another name is a phenyl methamine. Why you call methamine? This is a methamine, it's a phenyl. So benzyl amine, it's nothing but 1 degree amine, or also another name is a phenyl methamine. So very important point, aralkyl amine, in this type of the amine, the nitrogen atom is directly attached to the side chain. Here see, NH2 not directly attaches to the aromatic ring. It attaches through the methyl group. It is attaches through the methyl group. That's why this category of the amines are aralkyl amine. Okay, Nana? And in aryl amines point of view, amine group directly attaches to aromatic ring. Okay, na? So this is a benzyl amine 1 degree or phenyl methamine. And see one more example here, dibenzyl amine. This is a dibenzyl amine. It means, see, this is amine group. Amine group directly attaches to the aromatic ring through the side chain. Here, which is a side chain, my dear students? CH2 is a side chain. That's why this compound name is a dibenzyl amine. It is a 2 degree amine. Already I said very clearly in my previous class, if any one of the given organic compound contains NH group, that is a 2 degree amine, and NH2 group is present, that is a 1 degree amine. Only N is present, that is a tertiary amines. Okay, Nana? These are the aralkyl amine. Only one important key point, nitrogen atom directly attaches to side chain. Okay, Nana? This is the second classification from the aromatic amines. Already in the aromatic amine, aryl amines are completed, and now aralkyl amine also completed. This is the classification of amines. Now nomenclature of amines. This is a most important named nomenclatures of amines. See, for aliphatic amine, you know, in amines also aromatic amines are there and aliphatic amines are there. In case of aliphatic amines, common name system is there, IUPAC system is there. Similarly, in aromatic category also common name system is there, and also IUPAC nomenclature is also there. Now my dear students, aliphatic amine in common naming system. See my dear student, in common name system, amines are named by the naming the alkyl group attaches to nitrogen atom followed by the suffix amine. The names are written in one word only. That is the most important. Whenever you will write aliphatic amines in the common system, only one word only. In the case of mixed amines, the names of alkyl groups are written in alphabetical order. Here two important points in the nomenclature point of view for aliphatic amines in common system. My dear students, the alkyl group attaches to the nitrogen atom followed by the suffix name, and the names are written in one word only. But in case of the mixed amines are present here. Mixed amine, if methyl group or ethyl group, mixed amines are attached to the amine group. Here you should follow the alphabetical order. When two or three identical alkyl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom, the prefix di or tri is added to the name of the alkyl group. See my dear students, this compound name is CH3NH2. Here only one alkyl group attaches to the NH2 group. This is a 1 degree amine. This compound name is a methylamine. Now this one also 1 degree amines, it's ethylamine. And this is the N-propylamine, it's also 1 degree amine, N-propylamine. Listen very carefully my dear students, in common system generally the naming of alkyl group or amines are named by naming the alkyl group attaches to the nitrogen atom by the following amines. Now this is methylamine, ethylamine and N-propylamine. But now here see isopropylamine, this is also 1 degree, this combination you know that very well, isopropylamine, and this one sinana simple amine, same category of the alkyl groups or attaches to the amine group. This is a simple amine, and also this is 2 degree amines because of two alkyl groups are directly attached to the NH group, it's a 2 degree. Now this compound name is dimethylamine. Initially alkyl groups are there, after that in suffix side amine groups are there, dimethylamine. Now this is one diethylamine. But in case of my dear student, this is a simple amine, but in mixed amines you should follow the alphabetical order. For example here C2H5. So 2 are the ethyl group, that's why diethylamine. This is a 2 degree amine, but instead of this ethyl group, one methyl group is there na. Upon this compound name is ethyl methylamine. See my dear student, here only NH groups is there. NH groups are present in any given organic compound. It's probably is a 2 degree amines. That is the most important. But in the above example, NH2 groups are there. These are all of them as 1 degree amine. But in 3 degree amines point of view, only one N is there. For example, CH3N, CH3N, CH3 male CH3 na. This compound name is the generally my dear students 3 degree amines. 3 degree amine. It's clear ma? These are the aliphatic amines nomenclature for common naming system. So now we are going to discuss IUPAC system. This is another important category of naming nomenclature, IUPAC system. My dear students, in case of IUPAC system for aliphatic amine, listen carefully, for aliphatic amines, the primary amines named as replacing the final E of the parent alkane by amine. That's why its name is a alkamine. See here, for primary amines, and listen very carefully, for 1 degree amine or primary amines, these are the naming. In IUPAC system, alkan amine, alkan amine. You know that very well. From the alkane group, E should be dropped or E is removed and attached by the amine group. That's why here alkan amine. Listen very carefully. For IUPAC nomenclature, for the 1 degree amines, the common name is the alka amide. Now see, this compound name is CH3NH2. So CH3 means is a methyl. From the methane group, E should be dropped and amine group is attached. So that compound name is a methanamine. This is a ethanamine. Okay ma? This is IUPAC nomenclature of 1 degree amines. In case of 1 degree amines for IUPAC nomenclature, the common name is a alkanamine. And another important one for 2 degree amines. Listen very carefully. In 2 degree amines point of view, my dear students, see here, 2 degree and 3 degree amines are named as N substituted derivatives of the primary amine. N substituted, N word is coming right now here, where in case of the 2 degree and 3 degree amines, in case of 2 degree amines and 3 degree amines for IUPAC nomenclature, N word is coming as a substituted for derivatives of the primary amines, Now this compound name is CH3NHCH3. Here NH is nothing but 2 degree amines. This is generally N substituted derivatives of primary amines, just only coming in the 2 degree and 3 degree, not for 1 degree amine. Keep it in our mind. Now this compound name is CH3NH and CH3. Here this compound, this is the 2 degree. That's why N substituted derivatives of primary amine. So N methyl, this is the N methyl, after that methaamine, N methyl, after that this is a methaamine. So N word is compulsory, N methyl, N methyl methaamine. And now see here, CH3CH2NHCH3. Actually this compound name is ethyl methyl amine in common system point of view, ethyl methyl amine. But now here what is this compound? N substituted derivatives of primary amine. So N methyl ethamine. Okay ma? These are the very important point, Nana. If N substituted derivatives of primary amine, especially coming in the 2 degree amines and 3 degree amines. Clear ma? Now see here this third example. CH3, CH2, CH, NHCH3, CH2, CH3. So which is the longest chain here? This is a parent chain. So 5 carbon atoms are there. This is a parent chain. In third carbon atom again attaches to NHCH3. That's why N methyl, this compound name is N. This is represented N primary amine, N methyl penta 3-amine. N stands for N substituted derivatives of the primary amines. Now here N methyl pentan 3-amine. Why called 3-amine? Amine group is present in the third carbon. It's called 3-amine and N primary substituted. So N, capital N, and completely compound name is N-amine synana, N methyl pentan 3-amine. Okay ma? This is a 2 degree amine. But already I said very clearly, not only 2 degree, my dear students, even in 3 degree amines also N substituted derivatives of the primary amines word is coming. Now see this compound name is for 3 degree amines. For 3 degree amine, See, actually this is a nitrogen, a nitro group, or three different type of same category of alkyl substituents are there, alkyl groups are there. That's why this compound name is N comma N, because of this N is attached to this one and this one, so that's why N comma N. After that, this is entire the compound name is a primary substituted. So N comma N dimethyl. After that, this one methaamine. Okay ma? See again, N comma N dimethyl. So why it's called N comma N? Here N group is directly, nitrogen atom is directly attached to the 2 alkyl group. Additionally, you will represent it as a primary amine N substituent derivatives. Primary amine N substituted derivative. So this compound name is, don't confusion, N comma N, because of this is N is attached to this methyl group and this methyl group. That's why N comma N dimethyl. This entire the primary amine. So this name is a methaamine. So N comma N dimethyl methaamine. Don't confusion, Nana. In case of 2 degree amines and 3 degree amines, for IUPAC nomenclature, N substituted derivatives are compulsory mentioned. It means more than 2 alkyl groups are attached to the nitrogen atom. In case of the 2 degree amines and 3 degree amines, N substituted letter is compulsory used. So here see carefully, N directly attaches to 2 methyl group. First one, this combination is a methaamine. After that, 2 methyl groups are there. These 2 methyl groups are attached to the nitrogen. This compound name is N comma N dimethyl methaamine. This is a primary amine. These are the substituted. N comma N dimethyl methaamine. Okay, ma? Now here see, in N, 2 different same alkyl group, it's nothing but methyl group, and left side ethyl groups are there. Here this is considered as a primary amine. Remaining to this one, N comma N dash dimethyl ethanamine. N comma N dimethyl. This is actually this ethane group is there na, it's act as a parent chain. That's why here ethamine, this completely ethamine. After this, these 2 methyl groups are attached to the N. That's why this compound name is N comma N dash dimethyl ethamine. These are the IUPAC nomenclature for 1 degree amines and 2 degree amines and 3 degree amine. And my dear students, again I repeated here, in case of the IUPAC nomenclature system, for 1 degree amine, the name is the alkylamine. For 2 degree amines and 3 degree amines, here N substituted derivatives of primary amines are compulsory used. These are the IUPAC nomenclature of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines for aliphatic category. Okay students, see here, in aromatic amines for common system, naming is the aryl amines, and IUPAC system for aromatic amines, benzene amine. It's clear, ma'am? Now see here, some examples are there. NH2, so it's a primary amine, primary aromatic amine, because of only one amine group directly attaches to the aromatic ring. This is a primary amine. So common name is the aniline. Aniline is a common name, and one more name is the benzene amine. Because of IUPAC common name is aniline, IUPAC name is a benzene amine. Now one more example, see here, 3-methyl aniline, because 1, 2, 3, the methyl group substituents are located in the 3rd carbon. That's why 3-methyl amine, or you know, this entire the group name is a toluene. So this compound name is a very important, Nana. This compound name is a metatolidine. Why called metatolidine? He is a toluene group, or metapositional methyl group is there. So metatolidine, or another name is a 3-methyl aniline. 3-methyl completely aniline. These are the aromatic compounds. Now see, Nana, in this right side, one tabular form is there. This is a completely CBSE textbook example for amines in common names and IUPAC names. Okay ma? Now this is completely CBSE standard textbook tabular form for amines namings in common system as well as a IUPAC system. Now see here, CH3, CH2, NH2. You know, in common names point of view, this is a primary amine and aliphatic amine, already discussed here, aliphatic amine. This compound name is ethylamine. This compound name is the ethylamine. Why it's called ethylamine? Ethane group and ethylamine. So this is ethylamine, and IUPAC name point of view, ethanamine. Ethanamine. Don't confusion my dear students. Ethylamine and ethanamines. And second example see here. CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. This one is N-propylamine, and IUPAC name point of view, propane 1 amine. Propane 1 amine. Clear ma? And see third example, CH3, CH, NH2, CH3. Now this compound name is isopropylamine and propan 2 amine. Propan 2 amine. So third example, isopropylamine and propan 2 amine. Clear ma? Next one, see here, fourth example, CH3NH CH2 CH3. CH3NH CH2 CH3. This compound name is ethyl methylamine. Why call ethyl methylamine? This is a ethyl group. This is a methyl group amine. Ethyl methylamine. The ethyl methylamine is a 2 degree amine, my dear students. And another name is N. Already said. This side is considered as a primary amine, and additionally one alkyl group attaches to amine. So N-methyl ethanamine. N-methyl ethanamine. Now see one more example here. CH3N CH3 CH3 is a 3 degree amine. Trimethylamine. 2 methyl groups are there here. Trimethylamine. And one more name is here. This is a primary amine, and remaining is the N substituted derivatives of primary amine. So N comma N dimethyl methanamine. N comma N dimethyl methanamine. Clear ma? Now here 6 methyl groups are there and 2 amine groups are there. 6 methyl group. So that's why NH2 CH2 taken 6 times and NH2. This compound name is, how many methyl groups are there right now here? Hex. So hexamethylene diamine. In common system point of view, this compound name is a hexamethylene diamine. And IUPAC names hexane 1,6 diamine. It means the amine groups is located in the first carbon, also 6 carbon. That's why this compound name is hexane 1,6 diamine. Hexane 1,6 diamine. And these are the above example up to 6 aliphatic category of the amines. Now over 3 examples are there from aromatic category. This is a aniline or benzene amine. And one more example, O-toluidine and 2-aminotoluene. 2-aminotoluene. Because of this entire the group name is the toluene and amino group is there 2-aminotoluene. And last and final example, my dear students, this is NCH3 twice. So N comma N dimethyl aniline. N comma N dimethyl aniline is a common naming, and N comma N dimethyl benzoamine. This is a IUPAC name. Okay ma? And some more examples are there in your CBSE textbook. Do practice. Now I successfully completed in this session nomenclature of amine for aliphatic category, and also in the aliphatic category common naming system and IUPAC naming system, and also aromatic category common naming system, and in aromatic amines common name is the aryl amines, and IUPAC system for aromatic amines the benzene amines. These are the nomenclature of amines for aliphatic category, also aromatic category. Okay Nana? In my next class we will go to start preparations methods of the amines. Okay Nana?